안녕하세요 친구들, 짬입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. Today's nail art tutorial is requested by Lizzy. And it's Elris Summer Dream MV inspired nail art. First, I applied white nail polish over my peel-off base coat and I applied an iridescent top coat on my middle nail. On my pinky and thumbnail, I'll be doing a beach ombre. Then, repeat painting and dabbing until you reach full opacity. On my ring nail, I'll be doing the same gradient but without the nude color, just the shades of blue. After the cleanup, I applied top coat on my thumb, ring, and pinky nail. Now let's move on to my index nail. Apply some striping tape just like this and apply a light blue shade, making 3 fine lines. Remove the tape before the polish dries. Then, I added a bow at the tip of my nail. Let it dry and now I'm adding a blue outline. Next, on my middle nail, let's paint an anchor. Let the acrylic paint dry, then apply another coat of it for opacity. Next, on my ring nail, let's paint a white donut shape. Then, I added 4 red lines to make it look like a lifesaver. Let them all dry and apply top coat. I hope you liked today's nail art. Click the like button if you want to see more K-pop inspired nail arts in the future. Make sure to share this video to your awesome friends. And never forget to subscribe. That's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Annyeong!